Okay, guys, we are here in Izara tournament and we have a excellent lineup of panelists who are all great in the work they do. But today they have a different responsibility. Today they are at the field and today they are hitting the balls, catching the balls, making runs and winning games. So I'll just start with you, sir. How do you like the tournament?
So it has been a great tournament. I have been playing this tournament since last 13 years. So I know the format. I've been like last year we missed by narrow margin. Otherwise we would have been the winners in the last tournament as well. It has been a great tournament all throughout all 13 years.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you. Any more comments? How do you feel? How is the team doing and how are you feeling the match, the tournament?
Okay, this tournament DMET SG11 team is participating for the first time and we are really enjoying it. We have won our matches and of course now we are in the going to play for the finals and we are really loving it. Conditions are very good and all are enjoying.
Thank you, thank you. So Mishra ji, if you have to change one thing in this tournament, what will that be?
T-shirts provide before the tournament.
No, it's
Absolutely.
I'll come to you, Bade boy. There'll be a different question for you.
for me. Everything is perfect, and I will say that thank you to the ma'am for giving opportunity to the DMET club, and we will try to participate next year also, and try to
Fantastic.
build the team and make as many.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. DMET is a sister alma mater, so all the best, guys. To you, sir, the question: batsman or bowler? Who do you think this game favors?
I think it's equally poised.
Equally poised.
Yeah,
Interesting. Okay.
Because boundaries are not very big, so batsman has an advantage. But if there is a grounded shot, the ball doesn't move so fast, so there is an advantage with bowlers. So equally poised, I would say.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Quick question: if you were to choose any cricketer in the world to be in your team today for this tournament, who will you choose?
I'll choose Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli. Oh, we have a Virat Kohli fan here. Excellent, excellent. Okay, if you have to choose one bowler, any bowler in the world, who would you choose?
I would choose Glenn McGrath for his line and length and consistency. So yeah.
Fantastic. Glenn McGrath. Wow. To you, sir, I'm a wicket keeper. So the question goes to wicket keeper. Any wicket keeper, past, present, or future, you would like to choose for your team?
Adam Gilchrist.
Adam Gilchrist. Yes, of course. Excellent choice. I would have got for Pant, but I think Adam Gilchrist is much better choice. We have Manoj with us. He is known to be the biggest hitter in town most of the times. But few people know he's the most gentle hitter. Such a nice, humble, nice guy. But again, so Manoj, apart from you, who would you choose as two best openers among the people in this tournament who are playing as openers if you have to choose with no restrictions of team or company?
Okay. I'll choose Gunny and Kenny.
And yourself.
No, apart from me.
Is it about Gunny and?
Kenny.
Well done. Excellent, fantastic. And now I have the birthday boy. So let's have a big happy birthday cheer for the birthday boy.
Thank you
Happy
very much.
birthday.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Puneet is knowing as much as winning tournaments as also bringing the best players in his team and making one of the toughest teams to beat in the tournament. So Puneet, now you have a choice to get among all of these 6 best players from the world, and of course you will be leading them. Who will you choose?
Among us,
No, 6 players from any time in the world who are playing today, not the past players.
who are playing today,
International cricket.
my first choice will be Nicholas Puran,
Okay, good one.
Virat Kohli.
Good one.
In bowling, I will like Bumrah.
Okay.
Okay. And
Still 3 to go.
Dhoni as wicketkeeper.
Okay. That's a big one, but okay.
Yeah, because once the match fate is already decided, then he comes just to entertain the people.
So you ensure there is entertainment in the team.
Yes,
You could
then-
also choose girl cricketers also.
Yeah, then
are quite
it will
doing quite well
be
these days.
what is that left-hander's name? Mandana, Smriti
Smriti
Mandana.
Mandana, that's a fantastic choice.
Smriti
Fantastic.
Mandana and Abhishek Sharma.
Ah, good team, good team. Excellent, Puneet. Excellent. Hope one day you lead this team.
Absolutely, yes.
Tushar, you have
Thank
the
you.
mic in the last but not the least. So, among all the teams, when you look at the spirit of the cricket, when you look at fun, Which team do you think has the best spirit of the game in this tournament today?
This tournament, what I see, I don't know the name of the team, but I think the team which they were sitting here, I think Richie. Yeah.
Oh, the Roaring 50s.
I think they were cheering the most. Huh?
Fantastic, fantastic. Thank you, thank you. And thank you all of you. Thanks a lot. This was very nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Shaunak. Thank you so much. That is a superb one. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Give me those.